Magandang hapon po ng February 27, 2024 Tuesday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng February 27, 2024 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Tuesday, February 27, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. See you again later for 9 PM result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for February 27, 2024, Tuesday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 is 166.5 million pesos. Super Lotto 649 estimated jackpot price is 20.5 million pesos. And Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 11.5 million pesos. For Tuesday, February 27, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for February 27, 2024, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.